out here again off of Franklin Street. We got the cars in the building or whatever. I know it's been a while, so let's get it. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, sir. Got Eleanor in the building.
You take care of me, I'll take care of you.
Impala's in the building. The last time I missed it, I'm pretty sure this is Rick's car right here. I'm pretty up, Holly boys. Yeah, sir. Last time I missed you, Rick, this them Holly boys. Yeah, sir. I see you, boy.
Oh, really? You work for I or something?
Wife does.
Oh, okay.
Just working on the furniture.
Oh, okay.
I see a lot of people in downtown riding the electric BMX.
What's up, man? I see you out in New Caney, but I never saw you, man, until I did the video. I looked back, you had the Tupac shirt on? Yeah. What's been good with you, man?
Good, how about you?
Oh, I can't complain, man. Where your brother and them up to?
Hit the house.
Oh, okay. Tell them how.
Trying to get him out, but he ain't doing that.
Oh, for real? Terry or?
Terry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. For sure, be easy, man.
Anyway, I get to care of 41. On the highway. I know. I just want to take at least one picture and like just to say.
You're like, I don't.
Mira esta vaina, mira. What's up, Baconator?
I'm assuming everything before then.
Jeez, I ain't barely saw this. I was gonna walk right by. Thugger in the building. No problem. No problem.
Pull out the ride. We so high upper echelon.
We got the Slim Thug lineup over here. See if we can get in this crowd and get a quick view. The Slim Thugger lineup.
Red Bull, do we know where the Red Bull
Alright, see if we can get a better angle with the sun, not all the way blinding us. Got a Slim Thug lineup right here. Cadillac 1, Cadillac 2, Cadillac 3, Cadillac 4, Cadillac 5, the old Rolls Royce, the new Rolls Royce.
following you? We're behind you.
That's why it was grabbing, but it was still loose in there, you know what I'm saying? And with all that pressure, so we had to rebrake, put another bolt. Yeah, and then, no, it happened at home. Wood, you put a red Loctite too. Have you ever put that on? Red Loctite? Well, in order to take it off, you have to take it off, right? You can take it out, right?
That's crazy. So, usually, because Sundays are the only day dealerships are off and stuff like that.
What's going on, man?
Good, and you love
Yes,
the
sir.
green, bro.
Oh, appreciate you. No problem. What up, Blessed family? It was another beautiful day out here with the rides. Your boy Slim Thugger and the H-Town Car Country, you know what I'm talking about? And just in case you're wondering, yes, I had socks on when I came here, but if you know what I know, keep God first and everything else will fall into place. It's your boy Mr. Lucky, I'm out.
They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big gold bloom when I skate off. Ain't no contradicting this to the moon when I take off. Think God be my witness, why can't stand on their business? Yeah, Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big gold bloom when I skate off.
Lucky for real, for real. For real?
For real, man. But all in all, man, he's been an inspiration to Outkast. I mean, everything, you know, that we've done up until this point, man, he's been, you know, a big influence on us because we listened to him coming up, man.